Today, I'm going to prove to you that you can make an excellent lasagna without an oven and in just 20 minutes flat. In a pan, you're going to heat up some olive oil, then thinly slice a large onion. Once you've chopped your onion, put it in the pan with the hot oil and stir. Then you're going to add 3 chopped garlic cloves and sauté everything until the onions are nice and translucent. Count 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat, then add 450 grams of ground beef and break it up well in the pan. Then season with salt, pepper, and thyme. Some basil. And some oregano. I mix everything well. Ground meat cooks very quickly, so after about 5 minutes, we can add some tomato paste. I put in 1 tablespoon, mixed it well, and then added a 2nd tablespoon. I keep stirring everything well. Then I add 650 milliliters of tomato puree. Then I put a little bit of water in the bottle to get, the rest of the sauce out, and I pour it into the pan. Count about 150 to 200 milliliters of water. We add a good tablespoon of sugar to balance out the acidity of the tomatoes. We stir everything well. Next, we chop a bunch of fresh parsley. And we're going to break our lasagna sheets into large squares. If you use fresh lasagna sheets or pre-cooked lasagna sheets, they'll cook faster. Otherwise, like me, you can use uncooked lasagna sheets. You will need about 400 grams of lasagna sheets. Add the chopped parsley to the pan and stir well. Then pour in 100 milliliters of heavy cream. This will replace, the bechamel. And all we have to do now is place our lasagna sheets here and there, in the pan. So you're going to layer them so that you cover, the entire surface. Each time, press them down firmly so they sink to the bottom of the pan. And you're going to keep adding more each time until you can't, make them sink into the sauce anymore. When it starts to overflow, you stop, adding your lasagna sheets. They all need to be well soaked in the sauce to cook. So then we're going to put the lid on and let the lasagna cook for 10 minutes. You check if it's cooked, and if it's ready, you turn off the heat. Then you're going to sprinkle grated cheese all over the surface of your lasagna. And you're going to put the lid back on to let the cheese melt nicely. And your quick lasagna, fully cooked in the pan, is ready. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and that many of you will try it. See you soon.